Nobody like a my issue now. Also, imagine I will respond what to stimulus. I don't thank God for TikTok. I'm giving my life to Christ. Hey, he gets depressed. Depression with your mindset, man. Now you go put depression for your head. These are all just your mindsets. Do you get? This is free. Nah, man, we was. See, that turn on the gamu in China. Give one my idea happy. Give me happy. Give me happy. You need something. Don't you get Kawashigi play? Don't you give? Hey, consider bastard, honestly. This is my son. You are touching them, but you're not down. Oh, you're saying good morning. Listen, how good is this morning? What is good about the money? Because you pass your brain, he was alone there. Mental patient. You told you the money is good. That's good money. He wasn't What? Who told you my money is good? Do you know what I'm suffering this morning? Do you know my situation? You should have given me this one good morning. If you asking good morning, why would you tell me good morning? I don't know about this morning. You asking good morning. If I got you don't look, I'll give it good. Hey. Apple. Will they not allow your level of cockroach to bow your better head? Yeah, maybe you make another level. Let's go nepatizing. Nepatizing. Let's go nepatizing. Your country level. Mental health. Yeah, obligation. Yeah, so Monday. From there to psychiatry hospital. I'm sorry to how come no matter ban our marriage? You're this not the kind of what is it that's that's sex anymore? Like on opposite why? And when you hear that spirit of marriage, not happens inside marriage. Nigeria. Because the life there, let's do two scenarios. Now let's check an average Nigerian man living in Nigeria. An average Nigerian man and woman living in diaspora. Now, Nigeria, we have time for everything. Mom na civil servants, Vera, Joe, Agama to Ashe, but all the system, who know them. Mom na civil servants, all of them don't know by 8, I say Jim. Say Jim, Miamutum, Elimi, Nascura, Agasania, Laponulamo. Now, Laponulamo, and we're making Dimnoria, Totania, I am Mishina, or Roto, and we are what the Ratchop, Zam, Magawaram Naga. Do you understand? Now, if you look at a businesswoman back home, you everything is planned on you. Imagine making a ticket. We him to Lukuna, Dina wine in Nigeria, they work down time. Okay, make time for yourself. Only not only you got out and got dating, having with that time. Now coming to couples living in diaspora, you don't know how to run a marriage on Gianni. All couples live abroad. Ask me why. Yes, ask me why. Okay, now the system is not like our system. All right, here, Dina wine have bills to pay. Isuzu ezuzu be logging in. But for me, Isuzu ezuzu be logging in. Now, some married men and women be as here. Some couples be as now all their focus, all their thinking, go bill, take care of the home, take care of the children. Now, forgetting that themselves, their self, both of them also need their self. Oh, when it's in a wine and a channel with 3 months, I about 3 months. Oh, one is so cool. 3 months, I about because why shift to shift to shift to shift to shift to.
Okay, you want to got a valid point, right? But remember, okay, I feel that Dina wine on Obodo Igbo. I feel that how was you with that? Time I was it to record here for me, because now we are together.
Sorry, Dina wine on Obodo. Some of them are just selfish to themselves.
That is the problem.
Yes.
People like the honest truth, and also to their
that is where I was driving to now. Okay, so many of these couples. Yes, let me round up. So many of these couples now they're very selfish. All right. Now these are just selfish. Joy, let us not even lie. So many couples living abroad, 80% of them they don't have one opinion and one goal to achieve. All right. Okay, so many couples living abroad. The woman wants to achieve this by herself. The man wants to achieve this. Now, both of them are not working as a team. I'm working on my own to achieve this for myself. You are working on your own to achieve this. Jiri nwee ihe mmenwu ka anyị jiri nweta onwe anyị ka anyị jiri nwee obi aṅụrị no as in let's rekindle our love ka anyị nweta date as husband and wife now because nwaanyị na-achọ ego ka onye oshi nwoke na-achọ everybody because both of them has two different things they want to achieve. They are not working together to achieve one goal. So that's what they will draw time. If you ask me, that's why they cannot bring that time. Kejiri, dinner wine, time in a week or 2 weeks. This is our time for ourselves. Let's go on a date. Let's rekindle. Let's strengthen our love life. Our sexual life is dropping. What can we do? So many married couples in a book on GR. Onja Abule, so many married couples, carry a single people.
Okay.
But joy our answer. Continue after so many married people.
Please, those people they don't value that marriage as much. Do you know why I said that, right? Trust me, how they work that time. How about that sexual part? If you make something you make something, even if the person they won't choke you, he said, I must achieve this thing. I must satisfy them. You must satisfy me. You see them, they'll take 12 hours, 16 hours. When do we have time? 8 hours is enough, if you ask me. I work 8 hours, I'm not work 8 hours. One no law. Too many hours. There's no time for kids. Even almost they don't even have time for the kids. That's the honest truth. I don't know. I don't get in China there. 8 hours. Chinese people 8 hours. Gaga meet because they understood the importance of family. He may say too much. That one, the very, very all the very, very important now family, like extremely important. But why you are still in a chego one because you don't want to lose the other and end up achieving nothing. You got that meaning? Yes. So I noticed that we end up greed. We have if we're about contentment, a lot of us don't get that. We don't get that. I thought that this one more. You got hunting with one house, right? You got 10 different cars. Can get those 10 cars, all culture, but the family structure is nonsense. But then with the cars lined up everywhere.
There is no love. Even the children are not well raised.
Children don't even know their father's name.
Parental upbringing.
Do you understand?
No. Married people should do better because so many of them living in diaspora, they are losing it. That's why Emeto enwe divorce. Emeto divorce because why? They don't even have time for themselves. Some married couple are married now, they work at time. They doesn't give up your husband time. You guys sit back, as in go on a date, rekindle your love. So many couples it's been not said they check their husbands.
Sis, have a off day. Gaga off. I said, no, I want to take up shift. So who is really doing 3 days? Go off. What I hear
only one party, close to me here. Not American. I saw Manchester, Osisa Day, or again, Manchester, Osai Life. Really, I will post the videos. Come may post the video. Come and see these people. As in, you can manage this people. As in, you can see in Nigeria on a hard trailer shift. Because here time we don't charge a vacation. Don't time we don't charge a outing with their family. Come and see these people, all of them, as in they are coming to that event with their family. Some are coming with their wife, some are coming with their boyfriends, their partners. But in the buy an area, you will respect. Ego. You got the lawyer. Oh, you.
Lawyer to Amu that is not available. Lawyer to Amu that is not available. Here now the lawyer to Amu that is not available. Or actor that is not available.
Let you be available. Let your money be available. Most especially, let your ammo be available.
Available ammo is what we are talking about. Oh, the topic available ammo.
My sister, not be available in marriage. I don't see the reason why they give you no. A year for years. A year for day. People are not for 3 months. And
they wonder why we have so much divorce. They wonder why we have divorces rampant everywhere now. Okay, hold on. Some of these things I get is too much of walking. If I'm walking, you're walking. Let's say I'm gonna give you it's a moku no lo buana. I won't have this. I don't have time to say mama. Discussion. When do we now really talk? We cannot really communicate because now I can be way. Because I don't now value that husband and wife. Because your man
at home now, you are not cool, you are not angry.
Hours just based on, so I don't feel that anger. I don't see my husband. I don't see my some of because when you are working, you don't see your children too. Do you get? So there's no time to actually make peace at home. But imagine when going out for 8 hours, going out for 4 hours. There's time for the kids. Oh, okay. Even if you want to do 8 hours, fine, perfect. But even that 8 hours don't take over time. Because now you're gonna get off time. Enjoy you with your kids. Don't go and request for hours. You want like those days in none of us. Those are just to actually have quality time with Onye Binolo. Are you understanding? You know, when don't say that I'm even angry with you. Those are time I'm trying to come on and give you. Those are time to care am. Those are time to go hotel. I got no kai put no. Sometimes when we spirit of your John and channel any day go somewhere. Cause that spirit is pushing it. Or pushing it channel log. But that's it. And your like.
Hello, good morning.
Yes. On a memo one in our same environment.